Thank you everybody for stopping by to watch my channel E-24G. Today I'm about to do an unboxing right now. I'm gonna try to be as quick as I can. Still trying to get used to me doing the video blogs and unboxing. About to get to it right now. To cut it open. This is for a pair of sneakers. I'm a big fan of using the keys because it's usually much easier. The only reason it's a little difficult right now is because of it's taped up a little bit tighter than I thought my friend would. Right, here we go. So it's out the way. As you can see, these are for the Yeezy Quantums. Kanye West's wide release of the basketball sneaker. So let's just see what's inside. Let's see here. All right, so these are very interesting. It's so interesting when I watch a video, and on video it looks amazing, it looks great. I like them a lot actually. Not a big fan of basketball sneakers. As you can see, the cage over here. It's similar to the 700 V3 Alva. So underneath here you have a herringbone effect as far as when it comes to the outsole. You have the boost over here. I can imagine that these are going to be very comfortable for whoever wears them. I would say it's definitely more of a lifestyle sneaker. I can't see, I don't play basketball, I haven't played it in years. I just can't see these being something you can play basketball with. Just so you know, up here you have the neoprene. From what I have heard, as this over here, this is all 3M. This tightly knit material under the cage over here. The back of the heel counter is also 3M. Inside, just have the Yeezy inside the insole, of course, as it has a description inside. Not sure if it can be seen or not. Front over here, you have that V3 effect. Also similar actually to the 700s on the toe box over here. I haven't tried these on. This is a pair that's of a friend of mine's that did me a favor to do a video with these. Support up here, it's very thin up here. I can imagine the shoes also can be very easy to put on. There's not much I have really to say. It's the wow factor for me versus the Alvas, which to me are still the best ones I've seen so far this year from the Yeezy line. I like them a lot. So I guess, you know, you have to try them on. But yeah, it's an interesting sneaker. I like it. I like the cage. I never tried the first ones. I did like the 3M effect, the zigzag on those, from what I saw in videos. And let's see here if this does anything at all, if it shows. You can kind of see to a certain way the reflective material, which is, I'm not sure if it's prime knit, but you can definitely see it on there. Let's see as far as the heel counter for a moment here, see how that does. Again, it depends on the type of light as far as when it comes to that. But like I said, it's a very nice sneaker. It's still really good. I just wish I had the first one to really give it you know, a nice review to really compare the two. From the videos, of course, from what I've seen, the difference is, of course, the cage. This has maybe a little bit more 3M. One of the reasons why these sneakers, when it came to the basketball versions of the actual ones that the players can wear, was the issue because of the reflective material on it, which is a lot. I like the 3M. I know I've heard different things about, but I think it's good, especially for them at night. I mean, you have to think about those things. You know, it's good to have something that maybe can be noticed at night. Kanye does it again. His team that he has. I know Steve Smith, and it's a very, 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 very nice sneaker. You know, I mean, I like it. I'm just not. Let's say my mouth didn't drop when I saw them. I guess it's because I've seen enough videos of these already. And again, you know, I'm still doing this as something new to me. I don't really do unboxing of sneaker videos. I love sneakers. Ask anybody that knows me personally. And again, I dedicate this to my friends, family, everybody, about followers, whoever watches this. Please like, subscribe, comment. The more subscriptions, the better. I'll try to put more content out. I'm gonna just keep this channel as a single channel for now, make variety of content on it, see how that goes. And you know, just gonna give a last look. I wish I had a little turntable to really spin these around and give it a nice look, but here they are again. These are the Quantum Barium, Adidas Yeezy, Kanye West. Please check out my other videos. I'm trying to do this in as quick time possible since I had a slight editing issue with the last one. And this is the best I can do for now with what I'm able to use. I guess in time these will grow on me more. Seen mixed reviews. Again, I don't let those reviews convince me. I like the look of it. It's very different. Very good for a basketball sneaker. Again, please like, subscribe, comment. E-24G, Twitter, EricG2477. Please follow those. Greatly appreciate it. Any questions? Always, please comment. Positive comments appreciated. Thank you.